Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am your host, CyberMonkey, and thank you for joining in on Exploit Security. During this series, we're going to be going over the wire, Bandit. The good thing I like about Bandit is it's structured for beginners, and it really strives to get you comfortable with working inside the shell itself and using the various commands that are within the shell. So if you guys do enjoy the content, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for joining me here on Exploit Security, and today we're going to pick it up with Bandit level 31, which is hosted by OverTheWire. So without getting too much into it, let's go on and jump into it. So as you guys can see, I'm actually already logged in. So the last few levels we've been working within the Git repository quite a bit, and it looks like for 31 we're going to be doing this. So let's just go on and make a preemptive move, and let's just create or make a file in the temp directory. Safe to assume that we're going to have to do it. Try Fox. Fox exists. Do Squidward. Alright, and then let's change directory over there to Squidward itself. Alright, and then we're just going to run the git clone command, same thing that we have, and you are going to paste in that link that's included in the Bandit 31 description itself. Aren't you being friendly? There we go. And we're just going to go on and paste in that password for Bandit 31, the same one that we used to log in, which is going to be included in the description of the video, so make sure you check that out. Let's clear out that terminal. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Let me know how the terminal sizing looks in the video. I can always zoom in a little bit, but it starts screwing with the text a little bit. And I like to keep a kind of see-through terminal just so I can see the text behind it while I'm working. Let's change over to repo. List of the contents, another README file, so let's go on and take a look at that. This time your task is to push a file to the remote repository. Details, the file name is key.txt. Content is may I come in, and it's going to be in the master branch. So right, so let's go ahead and create an empty file called key.txt. Let's start off. We're going to run the echo command. And we're just going to push it over to that key.txt. So I can never remember the actual name of this. I call it the greater than, less than signs. But if you only use a single one, it will overwrite if there's anything already within that file itself. If you use two, it'll actually append it. So keep that in mind if you're trying to add text to an already created file that already has some data in it. Just something to remember. All right, so let's go on and run that. And then we're just going to run the git add command on key.txt. Following paths are ignored by one of your .gitignore files. .txt. F if you really want to add that. Alright, so Alright, so it looks like it's been set up so it ignores any text files with the wildcard, so it doesn't matter the name, as long as it's a text file, which in this case it's key.txt, it's actually just going to ignore it. So let's just go on and remove that. And that should solve the problem. And then let's try that again. And now I believe we have to run the git commit. All right, and then from the push command to, it said master branch, so it should be git push origin and yes. And then as you can see, we got the password pulled up here, so just go ahead and copy that in there. It's the same as 31. Like I said, it's going to be included in the description of the video itself, so if you need the password, you can just pull it directly from the description itself. All right, nice. It looks like we have the password for Bandit 32. Thanks everyone. Catch you in the next video.